Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your Aura Labs Backlight TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the Aura Labs Backlight TV. How do you actually go ahead and calibrate it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto your Backlight TV. Here on the Aura Labs app, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner. Then you want to go ahead and click on screen calibration. So how this works is that you need to match the points 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in a similar fashion as how you see it on screen. So essentially, number 1 is the center of the top of your TV, or technically your camera. Number 2 is the top left corner of your TV. Number 3 is the bottom left corner of your TV. Number 4 is the bottom right corner of your TV. And then number 5 is the top right corner of your TV. So if you click on calibration, this is what my calibration looks like. Once you place down point number 1, you want to click on next point. Once you place down point number 2, click on next point, and then so on and so on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and calibrate your Aura Labs TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.